So we've all been there. You're scrolling through a website, you skim through the terms and conditions, see an easy sign up, and think, sure, why not? Next thing you know, you're enrolled in a monthly artisanal sock subscription you can't cancel, and you're paying $12.99 a month for Labubu socks you never asked for. The problem is, while things may seem friendly on the internet, users are being manipulated, often illegally. The manipulation happens via dark patterns, which are deceptive features of the user interface that mislead the user into clicking buttons and agreeing to things they're not aware of. So, what we've done is built a digital detective to uncover all of the internet's dirty secrets.
So we essentially tried to identify three major dark patterns for this project. So A, we have the Roach Motel. So this is basically when a lot of sites make it really easy to sign up for things, but really difficult to cancel, which essentially traps the subscribers. And second, we have the terms and conditions. So a lot of companies have a lot of technical jargon on the terms and conditions. So what we do is we essentially read through the fine print and identify hidden fees, automatic renewables, etc., so that we don't have to, so that the user essentially doesn't have to get into that themselves. And finally, we have visual misdirection, where sites play around with button sizes and colors in order to manipulate the user into accepting agreements and signing up for things they didn't ask for. What we did was we built an agentic system that operates like a forensic detective. So while the AI serves as the brain, essentially to plan the investigation, it executes custom coded tools that we created to perform the actual work. So this includes measuring button dimensions, analyzing how the user navigates through the site, and cross-referencing legal standards like the FTC guidelines and ROSCA Act. This allows the agent to move beyond simple text analysis and identify dark patterns through technical evidence.
So our front end is a Google Chrome extension. It's available on the extension bar by just clicking right here. And this is the first pop-up page that shows up. To analyze a site that you wish, just press the Analyze Website button over here. And the Chrome extension sends an API request to the backend, and we expect a response somewhat like this. So our architecture begins with the Chrome extension, capturing the document object model and dispatching an API request to our Flask-based backend. Rather than just running a static script, we implemented an agentic orchestrator powered by Google Gemini. And this brain dynamically parses the HTML to instantiate a customized analysis plan, selecting the most relevant forensic tools for that specific site.
And this creates a digital detective that does the forensic work for you. At the end of the day, we built Hoya Holmes because you shouldn't have to be a legal expert just to navigate a website. Hoya Holmes is a live extension that follows you as you browse different websites, and the goal is to move past the buyer beware stage of the internet and make transparency the default. Our goal is to make the web a more trustworthy place one scan at a time. Thank you.